Hey y'all, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have a little bit something different for you. This is a vehicle spotlight on a 2015 Toyota Tacoma on some 18x10 Moto metals in 285/65. So let's go.
Trucks decked out, rolling through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team Handz is the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, so like I said, this is a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Now this is the TRD edition, so there is different kits depending on which version of the truck you have. I'm gonna get crap for it, but I'm gonna tell you these trucks are actually pretty capable, and I really like the Toyotas. I know most of you are Chevy fans, but we'll get over that. So to start things off, this one got a 3-inch rough country. So it's just a spacer on top and it retains the factory coil, or sorry, strut assembly in the front here. So it's just that puck on top to get you your 3 inches of lift. Then you're able to clear this wheel and tire setup. So for wheels, he's running the 18x10 Moto metal. That's a -24. This is the 970. So you can see it's a black finish, and then also has the milling around the edges of the spokes, as well as the rivet style around the lip of the wheel. We'll do a build test on this one. For being a 10 wide, if you go back right to the edge of the spoke here, you do get about 4.5 inches of lip, so pretty decent out of a 10 wide. You know, pretty standard Moto metal. You guys have seen these before too. For tires, this is the Nitto Ridge Grappler, and like I said, it's a 285/65. So what that means is it's about 33 tall. It's like 32.6 or 32.8 right in there, and then just shy of 12 wide. So you can see you do get a little bit of protection because the tire does bulge out from the edge of the wheel. And then stance-wise, at the top of the tire, he's out about 1 inch, but if you go all the way to the sidewall, that's right in that 2.5 mark there. As far as trimming goes, up front, there's this little plastic piece, which is here as like a mud flap. So remove that and you don't have to worry about anything in the front. You come out back and underneath this flare, you're good on the body, but you do have to take off just a little plastic corner of the flare right here. Walk you out back, doesn't have tint or anything like that. In the back, there's obviously no fitment issues. This kit does come with new shocks from Rough Country for the rear, so you take out the Bilsteins that are in it from factory and put those in. You could also upgrade to different types of shocks if you wanted to do that. One last thing to just show you back here, something kind of neat on the Tacomas. Got this plug here for 110, which is kind of cool in the back. Standard 110 plug. I think that's about it. We'll just walk up front, give you a look at the interior. Still got our seat cover on there from working on it, but pretty clean interior. Just your standard gray. One last peek at the front. And that about wraps it up. So you can see she's sitting level now and looks great, lifted up about 3 inches. That's your 2015 Toyota Tacoma on the 3-inch lift, 18x10s and 285/65. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. Peace.